A frequency table of grades have 5 classes, A, B, C, D, and F, with frequencies of 2, 12, 18, 6, and 2, respectively. Using percentages, what are the relative frequencies of the 5 classes? Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to find out what is the total frequency. So let's go ahead and do that. Total frequency is adding these numbers up. So we have 2 plus 12 plus 18 plus 6 plus 2. So that gives us a total of 40. So now it says that we need to find the relative frequency. So that means we're going to take 2 of the first frequency and divide that by 40. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to take 2 and divide that by 40, and that gives us 0.05. Now I'm going to multiply it by 100%. So if I multiply it by 100, right, that would be a percent. That gives me 5%. And it says round to 2 decimal places is needed. So the first one we have is 5%. Okay, the next one we have 12. So we're going to take 12. We're going to divide it by the total number of the frequency, which is 40. And we're going to get now 0.30. Now, if we multiply that by 100%, that's going to give us 30. So therefore, this is going to represent 30%. Okay, next, we're going to take 18 and then divide that by the total in the frequency, which is 40. And that gives us 0.45. Now we're going to multiply that by 100%, and that gives us 45%. Okay, next, we have 6. So if we take 6, and then we're dividing that by 40, which is the total amount of the frequency, and then we're going to multiply that by 100%, and that gives us 15%. And then we also know from the previous one for 2, we know that that represents 5%. Now before I check my answer, I want to make sure that when I add them all up, it should equal 100%. Let's go ahead and try that out. 5% plus 30% plus 45% plus 15% plus 5% gives us 100. So let's check our answer, and there is our result.